Hi, good morning, children, and welcome to a new horizon of responsibilities, maturity, education, and ethics. Uh, Children, you shouldn't forget that you would cease to be an educated human being if you do not know how to mind your speech and when to speak your mind. And in connection, you will also cease to be a human being if you do not know how to exercise empathy and kindness to people around. So the ball is in your court and the choice is yours. So good luck for the next 2 bright, beautiful years of competition and hard work for ISC 2021 and then 21 to 22. Children, this is Abhishek sir here, and I head the Department of English for Standard 11 and 12. And I wish all of you a very pleasant journey from the entire world of English department. And all your English teachers are very, very keen to see you people new with new energy in your classrooms. Hope you pay attention and you do well. So in this video, I'm going to first acquaint you with the entire construction of English language first. That is the syllabus as well as the format of the paper. And that's the reason why you see a council paper in the front in the video, but do not pay attention to the maximum marks that's given there. You pay attention to what I am going to tell you. So this is within your rights to know. So before that, I would like to tell you people that it's important to develop abilities to derive, infer, and critically assess information through a lot of listening. And it is also important to develop the ability to express oneself by speaking individually or in a discussion. In fact, read with comprehension, drawing information directly, or by inference from the text through an understanding of a grammar and structure and vocabulary and idiom. And also important to develop the ability to employ a variety of skills in writing within a framework using argument or imagination or summarizing. And it is for this reason that you study English language paper 1, because language helps to develop the ability to use the English language for the purpose of study and social and cultural interaction. And not only that, it also develops the ability to speak and write clearly and to the purpose using appropriate grammar, vocabulary, and idioms. So it's important for you to enjoy and appreciate the subject and use it to your maximum benefit. Children, your language paper will be of 80 marks. There will be 2 papers in English language. Paper 1 will be theory for 3 hours for 80 marks, like the one which has been shown in front of you right now. And paper 2 will be project work of 20 marks. Yes, you will have project from now onwards. The theory paper, children, which is for 3 hours and for 80 marks, shall comprise a composition writing, that is question number 1, okay, which will be of 20 marks. Candidates will be, required to select one composition from the choice of 6 topics that shall be given to you, which normally include narrative, descriptive, reflective, argumentative, discursive topics, expositories, story writings, etc., etc. So the required length of the composition is 400 to 450 words. The main criteria by which these compositions are usually marked in school as well as in the board examination is the quality of language employed, the range and appropriateness of vocabulary and sentence structure, syntax, the correctness of grammatical constructions, punctuation and spelling. And it is also marked on the degree to which you will be able to, or you will be successful in organizing the content of the composition as a whole and in individual paragraphs. So that's question number 1, children. Question number 2 will be on directed writing. Directed writing. Question number 2 will be divided into 2 parts. So the first part would be directed writing, which would include article writing, that is undated report writing, book review, film review, review of cultural programs, speech writing, report writing, personal profile, statement of purpose, and as I said, newspaper report writing, which would have 15 marks in total. The second part in this question would be dedicated to proposal writing, which is based on a given situation. So the first part of this question, that is part A, which is as I said would be dedicated to report writing, or let's say guided composition or directed writing. The piece of directed writing will be based on information and ideas provided to you. The required length should be about 300 words. The range of subjects may include, as I said, which is going to be your syllabus for the next 2 years, and skills such as selecting, amplifying, describing, presenting, reasoned arguments, rearranging and restating may be involved. So your ability in above skills, including the format, which is to be taken into account. So all of this is going to be clear when I teach you, when you will be taught by me and other English teachers in the department. In the part B, candidates will be required to write a proposal based on a given situation. It should include 3 important parts: the introduction, the objectives, and the list of measures. Again, this is going to be a very important format and is going to be clear when it will be taught to you. But this is just for information. You have to have a hang of your entire English construction. So a concluding statement in this proposal writing is desirable, and candidates will be marked on linguistic ability also. So I hope, children, till now it's clear, the first 2 important questions. In the next video, I'm going to tell you about the rest of the construction of the paper, right? So keep that in mind and stay tuned. Thanks.